Hello students, I am Ramakant Sharma, Principal, Mahatma Gandhi Government School, English Medium, Srimadham. Today I am going to tell you about Vigyan Vidyarthi Manthan examination. So dear students, in this video I am going to tell you about the pattern of examination and about the distribution of marks and what will be asked in this examination. We will discuss about them. You can take notes during this video. This will be very beneficial for your further studies. This year Vigyan Vidyarthi Manthan examination will be conducted on 29th and 30 November 2020. The last date of filling application form is 31st October. You will feel very easy if you fill this form through school. Though individual can also fill this examination, but it will be better for you if you fill your examination form through your registered school. So dear students, I am going to tell you about the examination. As I have written, you can see on the screen, this examination is conducted by National Council of Educational Research and Training NCERT New Delhi every year for the upcoming brilliant students. There are two groups of students. The one is junior group. This group is for students of class 6 to 8. Then there is senior group, and this group is for class 9 to 11 students. The question paper will cover the four following topics. Number 1, Indian contribution to science, life story and contribution of Venkatesh Bapuji Kelkar, and then the next segment, science from textbook. Definitely these textbooks will be from NCERT textbooks. And the fourth one is logic and reasoning. So dear students, I am going to discuss with you about the first one, Indian contribution to science. This segment will have the following 15 scientists of India, and it will be comprised of 40 marks. The following scientists will be covered under this segment. The first one, the famous scientist APJ Kalam, whose complete name is Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Kalam. The second is Meghnad Saha. The third is Ramanujan, Srinivas Ramanujan. The fourth one is C.V. Raman. Then Jagdish Chandra Bose, who is also called as J.C. Bose. Homi Bhabha, Vikram Sarabhai, Aryabhatta, Charak, Susrut, Kalpana Chawla, Bhaskaracharya, Mahasi Kanad, Birbal Sahni, and Dr. Harvard Govind Khurana. If you have a look at this list, then you can see the ancient scientists Aryabhat, Charak, Susut, Maharshi Kanath, and Bhaskaracharya. So these are the scientists. Then you can see the modern scientists also: APJ Kalam, Meghnad Saha, Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, J.C. Bose, Homi Bhabha, Vikram Sarabhai, Arya and Kalpana Chawla, and Birbal Sahani and Dr. Hargobind Khurana. Then this year we are going to study about the life story and contribution of Venkatesh Bapuji Kilkar. This will be asked about 20 marks, and the book is also available on the website of VBM. We will be asked about his contribution to science. Then we will have science from our textbooks, and definitely these are the NCERT textbooks. This segment will comprise 30 marks, and the following topics will be covered under this title. The topics where we can be asked the different questions are heat, light, fiber to fabrics, force and pressure, friction. Now you can see that numerical questions may be asked in force and pressure and friction. Then electric currents and its effect. Then we are having acids, gases and salts. Then physical and chemical changes. Then body movements, where we can discuss about the different body parts, the joints, and how these body parts are joined in our body. Then food and its components, then microorganisms, nutrition in animals and plants, and transportation in animals and plants for respiration. The questions about heart, lungs, and digestive system will be asked in this segment. Then motion and time, and the questions about solar system. So there are 15 topics. These are from NCERT textbooks. So you can have a close look at all these topics and try to see all these topics. Now we are also going to have some questions from textbooks, and these will be of 30 marks. For example, we are having number system, rational number, decimals, algebra, fractions, exponents, percentage, profit and loss, simple and compound interest, direct and inward proportion, time and work, quadrilateral, polygon, mensuration, where we can be asked about area and volume, and data handling. Then coordinate geometry and probability. Then the last segment will be of logic and reasoning. The following topics will be covered under this title, and there are 6 topics. The first, we will be asked about blood relations, direct and sect tests, ranking and orders, series and numbers, where different puzzles will be given to us, seating arrangements, In this segment, we will be discussed about who is sitting left to uh, the particular person and who is sitting about the uh, particular right to right or front or opposite, etc. Then alphabet reasoning test. So, dear students, the following topics as we have discussed, these are there. So, it is the high time that you can start your preparation well in time. I hope that the success is waiting for you. I wish you a great success. Thank you very much.